What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to teach you guys how to produce lip balm. So just watch this video, follow my step-by-step formulations and recipe to produce yours at home. It's actually one of the easiest cosmetics to produce. Also, I conduct online classes. If you want to learn how to make the body soap, the body cream, the laundry bar soap, the transparent soap, the liquid soap, the hair shampoo, powder detergent, organic soap, there's a lot you'll learn in my online class. Do well by checking the description of this video to join my class. If you check the description, you'll find a link where you can join the class. But if you have difficulty joining through the link, you can reach me on this phone number displayed on the screen. Chat me up on WhatsApp. Just through these numbers here, chat me up on WhatsApp to be added to the training group. See you at the training and have a nice time. So continue watching this video and learn how to produce your own lip balm at home. So after some minutes, you can see how the lip balm looks like. Very beautiful. If you want your own to be very pink, you can add more pink color, or you buy food coloring to add inside. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to drop your comments where you do not understand what I did. Ask your question at the comment section. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on YouTube, and follow me on Facebook. Follow my social media handles. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Please share this video. Try and share my video so that others that don't know about this can also learn. Goodbye and have a lovely day.